On Saturday, September 29th, you can either drop those bottles and cans off here.
There's always somebody who does this every single time I go to the store.
You've arrived at your destination.
Yeah, I guess I know. I just hate how it sounds.
And you're partially on the sidewalk. Seriously, why are you cutting over that early? Why do you want the left lane so badly as well? Okay. Just had to signal like 2 minutes before the actual exit. Why are you driving on the shoulder? What are you doing back there? Why can't you just pass on the left? There's nobody in the left lane. You better be taking that exit. Okay, you're going at least 120. It's only 100 here. So are you.
When you were in school. Text Braden 56789. Join the conversation. Now radio.
That's not the best place in the world to stop. You're kind of getting in the way. Can you get on your side?
You've arrived at your destination.
Stupid idiot. Nice to see that you're not signaling your intent to turn left.
In 1 point.
What the hell are you doing up there? I have so many questions. I think the driver's on his phone as well.
I'm gonna go on the record. I like that song. I do. That's for magic. Kiss me.
don't know if he stopped either.
As part of this 80-minute now promise, today your eye is with a daughter that has these tumors inside.
What's going on up
behind
here?
her eyes, by the way, and they can't operate on them because she would lose her eyes. So that's. Work, which would be really cool. And then on Saturday, September 29th, you can either drop those bottles and cans off here at the Now Studios. You can drop them off at different pod locations, like out in Stoney, we're going to have one, I believe, out in Fort Saskatchewan, or our team of volunteers will drive to where you are, pick up.
Now this person behind me is riding my ass in the rain. Oh.
Meters. Turn right on 50th Street Northwest.
So you weren't actually planning on turning anywhere. I don't think that's a good place to stop. I'm just surprised she didn't open her door right at me.
Division of the Madison Broadcast Group.
Oh, nice blinker. And from the left side. Yeah, watch it. Don't back into me, please.
And I wasn't allowed over anymore. This is the Juliet and Raj Show. Join the conversation. Now radio.
Wake up.
4894669 Chiquana, go ahead.
Seriously?
The force of habit.
Yep.
How was your day,
Nice
Raj?
blinker.
My day was good.
This is the kind of nap where you don't even set an alarm.
Trip to Walmart
Like,
is
I
never
ran
complete
the
without the
risk.
idiot stopped on the
Yeah,
side
I
there.
ran the risk of maybe not showing up to work today. So I had a dream that I'm in my apartment. I'm standing there.
Oh, really? You're
and
gonna turn
tooth
without a
falls
blinker?
out of my mouth, and I have it in my hand, and I'm freaking out. One of my biggest fears.
Oh, mama, don't play now, baby. Say, hey, now, baby. So let's go.
See, you did not stop. You just rolled your stop sign. Why would you stop there? I hope it's important. It doesn't look like it.
Remember these old country lanes when we did not know the
And the guy behind me just littered.
Show, but didn't get. Well, then again, I wasn't all that determined. I've never had the privilege of seeing Canadian bands perform abroad. That's gotta make you feel
just did it
special,
again.
being Canadian and
what
seeing
a
a Canadian
prick.
band doing a thing. Always seems so cool to me. We are talking about your
And he just cut the guy in front of me off.
and we have one more story for you.
Wow.
First, Connor McDavid came up.
Really? You're such a dickhead. Just doing that.
The versatility of an SUV, the performance of super all-wheel control,
Oh,
and a combined
wow.
rating of just 3.2 liters equivalent per 100 kilometers.
Cans of interior paint and exterior paint and stain.
Nice
Thursday
stop.
to Sunday only. Plus, from September 13th to...
Imagine following that on the news. What does a 13-foot storm surge look like?
What are you doing?
It's 12, 13 feet. Yeah. From the norm, go up 13 feet. That's how much higher the water comes. And it just floods the land. Because I doubt they have a 13-foot
Huh,
wall block.
that was interesting.
And if you're a...
Turn right on 23 Avenue Northwest.
Do you need to turn so wide? You know you need to stop before you turn right on red, right? May have been a tad close.
Oil treatment. You'll also take comfort in knowing that I've performed 100,000 LASIK surgeries, and I've even had the LASIK procedure myself. So begin your oil treatment
Jesus
today by
Christ.
booking a free consultation.
Look
at
where you want to go. Look where you want to go.
You can experience the royal treatment firsthand with a free consultation.
Hi, are you referring to the damage? I know, the police just... Oh, it's dragging. I already know about it, yeah, the police... Someone hit my car while I was stopped. Yeah, but they said it was still drivable, but... Oh yeah, just in case I didn't know. Oh, thank you. You too. Why do I have stuff? I don't know what I do.